Okay, guys, I am so sorry. I hadn't realized that the camera cut off. So I did finish it. So all I did was finish putting the rope around it. And so this is the top of it. As you've seen, I took a picture. It was on my thumbnail. And so this is what it looks like. All the rest of I did was just basically put some rope around it. Don't mind the mess over there. It's getting ready to go to storage. So anyway, I thought about putting some shells on the side of it, and I still might do that. I'm not sure yet, but I guess by the time you see the thumbnail, you'll see if I decided to do that or not. So anyway, that is my project. I'm really happy with it. I love the way that it turned out. I love the way the trays look, and they're very it is very sturdy, and it will probably be more so when the E6000 finish is drying on it. But I just wanted to come back in and show you kind of what it looked like all done. It's pretty tall too, and it's the right size for my patio chairs outside. So thanks anyway, guys. I just wanted to come back and say, show you the project was finished, and just to let you know that if you're not subscribed from my channel, please do so by hitting the little subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell. I don't usually have two-part videos, but yeah, I did today. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow. I will be having my first in my series, From Russia with Love Junk Journal. All right, thank you so much again. Have a wonderful day. Bye.